Hi, this is 𝗟𝗲𝗃𝗱𝗚 from Mr. Pro Printer channel. Sticker. All the production commercial printer, the first printing must be sticker. Sticker is the most common, simple, and frequent inquiry for all commercial printer business. So today, I'm also using the more common topic to share with you how a HP LATEX 700W can perform a simple sticker printing to produce you an amazing result. Maintenance is always a concern for all the business production machine. Same like ours HP LATEX. And today, let me show you how safe HP LATEX is, especially for your maintenance. Many people claim that the consumable you cannot use until a very minimum percentage. But with HP LATEX, you see, with the only 2% left of the maintenance cartridges, it still be allowed you to produce your printing as usual. Interesting with the video. So now I'm trying to tell you is HP LATEX 700W, the new generation of the latex technology, is not only have a wide performance, but it also provide you a better solution for a common and general use production application, such as sticker. You will get speed, cost saving, and instant dry. So you do not need to wait any single minute and second for the material or the printing to get dry and go for lamination before you apply the insulation. So later on, I will show you is the cost of the printing for this printing, so that you can see how safe of the printer can provide to you with HP LATEX 700W series. Hi, hope you will like my video, and please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Mr. Pro Printer. So you also can contact our company, and this is the contact, or you can direct contact myself, Jeffrey, this is my contact, or our sales person for our company, 𝗙𝗍𝗱𝗱 and 𝗨. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.